Alright boys, today we will learn how to download Fortnite updates faster. Now if you have tried to update before, you may have realized that it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time to actually download the update for Fortnite. But today I will show you how to increase the download rate of Fortnite so that you can play your game faster and you won't have to keep your friends waiting. So first, I paused my download. Now I've already installed an update and I can't really imitate an update, so what I have done is this is verifying the integrity of the game. So like if your game has a bug, it'll reinstall the files for you. Now, but it's basically the same thing. So to download your Fortnite game faster, what you have to do is first, just do it. What you want to click is open the stats view. So you'll see this, right? You'll be able to see everything that's happening. By opening this tab, your download will download 20% faster. Now the reason it downloads faster is because if you see what the download speed is, then you can see when it dips and when it goes up. And if you see it's lower than normal, then some kind of application you're running in the background is probably limiting your download. So technically this isn't increasing your download speed, it's allowing you to see what is making your download slower. So yesterday when I was updating, I saw that my download went from high to low like this here, and that's why I realized that something was disturbing my download speed. So I went on Steam and I found out that I was updating a game for Steam. So I just canceled that and I was able to see that my download speed went up. And what I also tried was I was watching a YouTube video while waiting, and by pausing the YouTube video, my download speed went even up more. So by using this feature here, most people don't know this feature. By using this feature, you'll be able to test what stops your download and what slows down your download, so that you can increase it and you can play with your friends faster. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have learned something.